Hi there, just taking a quick video of the Turbo Blend 4500 Vitamix. I don't know why I keep wanting to say Vitamita. Okay, moving on. Let me turn it around. You know, it's got a really nice, while I'm in the area, nice long cord that you can like wind here if you need less or if you need more. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. The back is Vitamix Corp. The serial number ending in 32328 and October 15, 2009. Model VM0102. If you know these, they last forever. They are so strong. So what I'm going to do is just turn it on without the doohickey. That's on high, and that's low. So the let's just call it doohickey for now. The doohickey sits on top. Now, you know the older, not so commercial, not so strong blenders. You go like that, right? And you turn it and it clicks on. I don't think you need to do that with this guy because it works. So this is where you kind of, you know, move the food or veggies, the fruit around, smash it down so it'll mix. This is the lid to where you just put it up here, close it up. This is rubber. And so it's got some scratches. It's clearly used, but it serves its purpose. Strong, and I'll take plenty of pictures. To represent. Please email any questions that you may have. Be certain that you're purchasing it to keep it, not to tinker with it, get a part or something and then want to return it, because it works. I will be very strict on representing to eBay that it works, and I will also send you an email to confirm that you saw the video to show that it works. There's just been a lot of issues in eBay lately with people not being so nice, lacking integrity, returning things for the wrong reason. And I pay my bills with my eBay, so just want you to be happy. I'll be happy. We'll all be happy. And there it is.